Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Kendas ngi mencual lami ke kubur, halor ke jingkano bakidan ke hospital sorkar. Hakan ke jela, ki bakan taj ban sumari ki nongpang, ki bayo yuk nyang jingpang HIV. Ban kham syai halor ke jingkano, ke Batisi TV, kalayo bani keren kerpang, bat menteri sorkar, bakmi ya ketnat ke kot ke kia ke jela, uba Alexander L. Heng. Ubalai itu ban nakaliang jauh. Ula betha yau joint director jang ke civil hospital Shillong, ban thong ya ke kenhuan ke bakerpang, ban toket halor ke ni. Kenang ban lap ya ke jing sisa, la ke ni ke jingkano kalong ke basisa ne em.
Short while ago, in your presence only, I have asked from the Joint Director, Civil Hospital Shillong. He had said that he also don't know about that cases. Even then, he had trying to inquiry here and there. But I told him to institute the inquiry committee to find out the facts. If you ask me as a health minister, no patients, whether what kind of diseases they carrying with them, they should not be denied any kind of health services in our government hospital. Even if we know also in any private hospital, that also we are going to find out that should not be denied any kind of healthcare services to anybody. If anybody found guilty, I don't see as per law also. But according to me, if you ask me personally, and nobody should be denied for any kind of treatment in our hospital. No, not timeline now. We just discussed just now only in your presence only. I have told them since they do not have not detect any kind of this kind of incidents happen in the civil Shillong hospital. So they have already requested the joint director to institute the inquiry committee and find out. So if after some time, if the committee has not institute the committee, then I will give him the final reminder. But within such and such period, you have to complete the inquiry committee.